I have so much to talk about. So I just stopped. I don't even know where this is. It might be along the Blue Ridge Parkway, but it's the stop on the road before Waynesboro, maybe 15-20 miles away from there. I'll have to look at where I took the picture for my location. I'll update it later or whatever. But these 5 people had thru hiked years past, and they came and did trail magic. And I'm not kidding you. I hope one of them sees this video. The last 2 days I've prayed. I'm like, just let there be trail magic or like a charging station somewhere. That is a beautiful dog.
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day.
Thanks. Enjoy your hike.
Thank you. That was a gorgeous dog. Anyways, I haven't had cell phone battery for 2 days, or my watch, or my GoPro, and so yeah, it's just been completely dead. So I was praying there'd be somewhere to charge, and these guys this morning had a whole portable charging system and like breakfast sausages. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. How's it going? And it's weird. It's been way nice being disconnected, like not having my phone to look at every second, just following the white blazes and like not knowing what's next. It's beautiful. But I feel like my phone, or the videos like right now that I'm doing, helps me talk out loud, and the GoPro videos, by documenting it, it's like I'm sharing it with my experience with everybody. And I felt like the last 2 days I was just kind of mute. Blackberry season is here. These are actually black raspberries, and I just picked my first plant like on the trail below. It's like a booby trap because I here at Stanimals, time to take a shower. So stoked. Moment of truth. Lovely. I thought I was recording this whole time. Just stopped here at Klein's Dairy Bar ice cream. Got a peach and raspberry milkshake. Klein's Dairy Bar. Lights are off because they just barely closed. I was the last customer, looking homeless. Got to stop at Walmart to do a resupply. Maybe I'll go to Cookout for brat, get another milkshake. But this is delicious. I'm going to take a picture of it. Love ya. Goodbye. All right. My friend Van Gogh said here at Walmart they have this burrito called Tina's Big Burrito. It's $1.37. He's like, dude, best calories, 19 grams of protein, 590 calories. We're definitely getting it. Thanks, Van Gogh. Typical Moxie behavior. Dumb CJ. Just spent $81 at Walmart. 2 full grocery bags. How can you spend $80? I got excited because my cousin Richard is hiking with me tomorrow. Yeah, you like my Wisconsin shirt? In shorts that are double rolled up because they're falling off me. Loaner clothes. Haven't worn a dress yet, but I soon will. Anyways, I just wanted to get some fun snacks. I didn't even really get that many. It's a Walmart neighborhood market, so it didn't even have any freeze-dried meals. And I've been doing freeze-dried meals the whole time, but I met this Canadian named Van Gogh, and he's like been out here 2 months and he hasn't had a single, whoa, that looks crazy. he hasn't had a single freeze-dried meal. I'm like, bro, how do you do that? And so he gave me some ideas. I got the Tina's burrito and got some Asian dinners, some noodles, some stir fry, ramen, got some rice. We'll see how it goes. And I got some summer sausage and cheese. So, all right, later.